In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import some Chrome extensions into Firefox. This process can help streamline your browsing experience, especially if you're transitioning between browsers and don't want to lose the functionality you're accustomed to. So, let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, we'll need to enable an experimental feature that allows the importation of Chrome extensions into Firefox. To do this, open Firefox and head over to the Advanced Configuration page by typing About Config into the address bar. Now, don't worry when you see a warning pop up. It's there just to remind you that changing settings here can affect your browser's performance or security. Go ahead and click Accept the Risk and Continue to proceed. Now that you're on the configuration page, it's time to search for a specific setting. In the search box, paste Browser migrate.chrome extensions enabled. This might sound a bit technical, but it's simply a setting that allows for the migration of Chrome extensions. Once you see this setting appear, you'll want to enable it by double-clicking on the entry. You should notice the value changed to true, which is exactly what we want. With that done, you'll need to restart Firefox to apply these changes. Just close the browser and reopen it. This ensures that the new settings are fully activated. Once Firefox is back up and running, it's time to navigate to the import feature. Let's go ahead by clicking the menu button, which looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, usually located in the top right corner of the window. When the menu opens, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the Import Data option under the General tab. Clicking this will bring up a list of browsers from which you can import data. Here, you'll want to choose Chrome, as that's the browser from which we're transferring the extensions. The next step is crucial. Expand the import options to see various types of data available for import. You'll notice several categories, including bookmarks, history, and importantly, extensions. Make sure that the box next to Extensions is checked. This selection ensures that the extensions are part of the data being imported. Finally, to initiate the transfer, click the Import button. This action will start the process of moving your extensions into Firefox. Do keep in mind that this feature may be limited and might not work with all extensions. It depends on whether those extensions are compatible with Firefox's web extensions system. Just be patient and allow the process to complete. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you can easily import some of your favorite Chrome extensions into Firefox. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing!